portion of that time I did
Don't go
cocaine
past
with
the minute.
Carl Malden.
What are you getting all bent out of shape about?
Well, you know, Carl, I got virtually nothing here, you know?
Look, I don't see what the problem is.
No, you wouldn't, would you? Now, look, all I'm saying is I got the raw end of the deal.
You invited me over.
Yeah, well, now I'm regretting it.
When I fire rockets, I always pretend I'm shooting at Alan Alda and James Bond. Take that, wisecracking meatball surgeon!
Which way should we go?
I don't know, let's ask the Goonies.
Take the left one.
Thanks. Hey, Chuck, come here.
Yeah,
Before you go, do the truffle shuffle.
Oh, come on!
Do the truffle shuffle.
Let's keep it on the wall.
Childhood obesity.
Get it!
No.
Lois, come